Wow. I don't know that you want to do that, but welcome to Fiddly Stitch. This is actually the woman who is responsible for getting me on this path of creating apparel designs, embellishments, stuff like that. We do a wide range of things, anywhere from sandblasting to HTV work, sticker decals. This is my sister, and without her, I'd have never been on this path. So I'd like to give her some credit. And so tell me a little bit about yourself, or tell everybody about yourself.
Oh gosh. Well,
What got you into?
my name is Mercy. Mike is my brother. We've been together for a very long time, obviously. But I started in this business, oh gosh, maybe about 10, 12 years ago. Just started off as a hobby. And I just it's like you guys know when you're crafting, you see one little thing and you go, oh gosh, I wish I could do that. And then you see something else and it's like a bunch of squirrels. You're just like, oh, I want to do that, I want to do that, I want to do that. Well, that's kind of where I ended up at. So I kind of refer to myself as a Jane of all trades. I do heat transfer vinyl, I do glitters, I do sublimations, I do sandblasting or sand carving, I do actual jewelry engraving, oh gosh, sewing, quilting, so just about everything. So, but when my brother came to ask me about doing certain things, and I show him, I just kind of give him the basis of the ideas of what I was working on, and he kind of just took away and ran with it. So I mean, he's such a creative person. I'm so proud of him. But I couldn't do any of the things that I do without him too. So we come as a set, like salt and pepper. But I'm sure that he's going to be able to show you a lot of things to do, and we'll just keep coming up with all kinds of ideas, and we'll just work our way through it. And we're just eager to show you guys how to do some of the things that we learn. And you'll see us make mistakes. You'll see us stumble. You'll see us, try to figure our way through a problem that we just created for ourselves. But all in all, it's just about having fun, just getting to know each other. So have a great day, and it's all about crafting. Enjoy. Wait. Oh,
This is my big sister. Yeah. I'm Mike. I'm the one who I love when people tell me I can't do something, because I'll figure out a way somehow. My sister, she introduced me to HTV vinyl, and my first transfer was actually 3 color, 4 color.
oh gosh, yeah, like a gazillion colors, and I went, holy moly!
Yeah, it was.
It was about 4 colors, I think.
I think so, and it was. I mean, it wasn't a great design. It wasn't great detail, but it had a lot of little pieces to put into each other. Because really, you don't want layers of vinyl just stacked on top of layers, and
Nothing sticks.
It's gonna peel off. So, hopefully, with the stuff that you learn here, that you're able to learn, share, these are things that'll help you with some of the tricks of the trade that we've learned, and are willing to pass on to other people so that they can achieve even far beyond what we've achieved, and that's really our hope. So.
Yeah. So, good luck.